Did you know that police once let a $350 million diamond heist happen on purpose? In November 2000, a gang of thieves set their sights on the Millennium Dome in London. Inside sat the De Beers Millennium Star Collection, 11 of the world's most flawless diamonds. The plan was cinematic. A JCB digger to smash through the walls, smoke grenades to blind the guards, a speedboat waiting on the Thames for the getaway. They had rehearsed every detail. They had even studied the layout for months, but so had the police. Scotland Yard had been watching the gang for weeks. They quietly replaced the real diamonds with fakes. Then they filled the building with armed officers disguised as cleaners and tourists. On November 7th, the gang hit the vault with nail guns and sledgehammers. They found glass. Within seconds, over 200 officers closed in. The speedboat driver was arrested on the river before he could even start the engine. The most ambitious jewel heist in British history was over in under 5 minutes.